how to fix Google Translate error. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the settings. After that, tap on apps. Again, tap on see all apps. From here, search for the application Translate, that is Google Translate, then open up the application. Now, once you land on app info page of Translate, scroll down a bit. First of all, tap on Force Stop and again tap on OK. After you do that, tap on Storage and Cache. From there, first of all, tap on Clear Cache. That will clear all the junk file of Google Translate from your device, which might help you to solve the problem. And after that, again click on Clear Storage and make sure you read this information given that says these apps data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. Then tap on OK, and once you do that, again go back. Now open up the Google Play Store and on the search bar type in Google Translate, and here make sure that you have the latest version of Google Translate application. If your app is missing out any updates, you will get update option where I have opened. Simply update your application and that will help you to solve the problem. And after you do that, simply turn off your network connection for a few seconds and after that turn it back, and once you do that your problem will be solved. And that's how you can fix Google Translate error. And that's all for today's tutorial. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.